Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show the unboxing of the AU Bank ixigo credit card. So I got it in this white package and I applied for the card around 5 days ago, and within 5 days it got approved, verified and also delivered. So this is how you get it delivered in this white package, and it's completely sealed as you see from here. So I will be breaking the seal and unboxing it. Now there are many credit cards in the market, and there is one sole purpose for why I applied for this particular credit card, and the reason for that is zero markup fee. So the AU ixigo card comes with absolutely zero markup, foreign currency markup fee, and moreover it's lifetime free. Now I already have a host of other credit cards, but this is something that I really wanted, which is a zero foreign currency markup fee. I've got another credit card which is the IDFC Wealth card, but that also has a foreign markup currency fee of around 1.5%. But for someone who travels a lot, you need something that is closer to zero, and getting zero itself is the best thing ever. So here you can see, I mean, for a lifetime free card, I think this is the best packaging that I have seen. I've got other lifetime free cards as well, but none of which I've received in this kind of packaging. It really looks premium. The card looks and feels very premium. Try and slide it out over here. So this is a card that you can see here, shines well, and so you get a choice of Visa and RuPay, but I applied for the Visa card because obviously the main purpose of this being zero foreign currency markup is that I'm going to use it abroad, and I doubt RuPay will work abroad, so I needed it in Visa. But if you need a lifetime free card, travel based, and if most of your travel is domestic, then you can of course apply for the RuPay variant. I think that will be a better value for money if you're a domestic traveler. And let's see what we've got inside. Cool. So this is the main pamphlet that basically tells you how much is your the basics of activating the card, as well as what's your credit limit and everything. So I won't open this here because this is a bit confidential, but this shows you how to activate the card. So you got one more pamphlet here which basically tells you of course that it's zero forex markup fee. You can see it here, and of course because you get this card, you also get around some ixigo credit, which is around 1000, and these are the details that you see in the sheet over here. Next up is another welcome note congratulating you on owning India's most rewarding travel credit card. I personally think Axis Atlas for me is the best when it comes to travel, and also you got American Express Platinum Travel. If you are looking for an Amex card, I'll leave the link of my referral in the description below. That is, I would say, the best travel credit card, Amex Travel as well as Axis Atlas. But then I'd say this is somewhere around third or fourth behind. So what else we've got here? Alright, this is the HL pamphlet that tells you, or brochure basically, that tells you all its pros. So here it is, you get 1000 reward points and 1000 ixigo money on your first successful transaction within 30 days of card issuance. 10% of flight bookings, zero payment gateway fee, 10% of bus bookings, 5% instant off hotels, 10 reward points for every 200 online spends, and 5 reward points per 200 on your offline spends. Yeah, you get a priority pass. Now you don't get the priority pass in this packaging itself, but once you get your card delivered, you just need to call AU Bank's customer support, give your customer ID that you will get in the pamphlet here, and tell them that you've got this credit card, and they will send a separate package for your priority pass. But it's just one complimentary lounge access, international lounge access for a year. And for domestic, it's good because it has around 16 for both combined airport as well as railway lounges. Again, the main reason why I took it is because it has zero forex markup. It does say a 1.99, but it's actually zero right now. So it says that it's around 1000 the credit card fees, but if you use it within the first 30 days, this you can see that this 1000 fee is waived off. And obviously, if you're taking this card, you will use it somewhere within the first 30 days. So what else we've got? We've got a baggage bag tag. This is really good. looks pretty good as well. You can add your name and you got the holder as well here. Again, very good. And some really good looking creative stickers. This is good, very good. Now all this, everything for a lifetime free card. So I mean, you can't really ask more. I think AU Bank is trying to aim to get the credit card market share, and I think they're doing really well so far. So that's it, and I'll leave all my credit card referrals in the description box below, be it Amex or be it IDFC, SBI, or even HDFC. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.